Hello friends, let us solve this problem. So 1.8 gram of a certain metal burned in oxygen, it gave 3 grams of its oxide. 1.5 gram of the same metal heated in steam gave 2.5 gram of its oxide. Show that these results illustrate the law of constant proportion. So we need to prove that this is law of constant proportion. That means जो chemical formula of oxide रहेगा, it was mxxy, mxoy. So this x is to y should be constant, right? That was the law of constant proportion. मतलब वही the atoms, the ratio of metal atoms and to oxygen atoms should be same. So let us see the solution. So weight of metal is 1.8 grams. Weight of oxygen is nothing but 3 minus 1.8, right? Because 3 gram oxide bana and 1.8 gram metal है. So we assume that the entire metal is burned, right? So 1.8 grams is burned to give 3 grams. So basically 1.2 grams क्या है? Oxygen है. So out of this 3 gram, 1.8 is metal and 1.2 is oxygen. So you can find the ratio of the weights of metal and oxygen, and constant proportion मतलब वही होता है that this proportion is by weight. So weight of metal upon weight of oxygen is nothing but 1.8 upon 1.2, so 1.5. Either way same बात है, but second sample में हम यही same ratio देखेंगे and we'll see is it same or not. So in second sample of oxide, what is the weight taken of metal? 1.5 grams. And what is the weight of oxygen? So 2.5 minus 1.5, because 2.5 is the weight of metal oxide, so we get as 1 grams. So now taking the ratio of weight of metal and oxygen, we again get 1.5. So this, you can see the ratio is constant. That means in both samples of the oxide, the proportion of the weights of the metal and oxygen are fixed. So this proportion, whenever they ask the law of constant proportion, it is always by weights. So always better if you take the ratio of weights. So hence the result follow the law of constant proportion. So hope you guys understood this video. Thanks for watching.